to learn transformation of affirmative sentence to negative sentence. First of all, we must identify the affirmative sentence and negative sentence. What is affirmative sentence? In the sentence where there is total positive view and there is not any negative word which shows negative view in that sentence, that type of sentence is called affirmative sentence. When there is not any negative word and there is not any negative view in the sentence, that type of sentence is called affirmative sentence. And when there are no, not, never, nothing, nobody which shows negative view in the sentence, that type of sentence is called negative sentence. Means there are the words which shows negative meaning, negative view in that type of sentence is called negative sentence. So students, we are going to learn how we can change affirmative sentence into negative sentence. First of all, remember that we should not change the meaning of the sentence. Without changing, we must transform the affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Now here I would like to show you one most important chart which is useful for changing affirmative sentence into negative sentence. When in the affirmative sentence there is the word only, then we can use none but, nothing but and not but while changing affirmative sentence into negative sentence. When there is only in the sentence, we can use none but, nothing but and not but. When there is always ever, we should use never while changing it into negative sentence. Then for the last time, then we can use never again. When in the affirmative sentence there is sometimes, then we can use not always for making negative sentence. Then doubtful, not sure. As soon as, no sooner than. As soon as, no sooner than. Everybody, nobody. Everyone, no one. Anyone, no one. And whenever or when, never but. In this way, this chart is very useful while making negative sentence of affirmative sentence. Now I would like to explain with some examples here how we can change, how we can transform affirmative sentence into negative sentence. See first example here. Only Rohit came to see me. When there is only in the affirmative sentence, we should take none but, nothing but or not but. In this sentence, only Rohit came to see me. We should not change its meaning. Without changing, we should make it negative sentence. None but Rohit came to see me. If we see both examples, both sentences, we notice that here there is no any change in its meaning. Only Rohit came to see me. None but Rohit came to see me. Without changing meaning, we can change affirmative sentence into negative sentence. See second example. Only graduates need apply. Only graduates need apply. And answer is none but graduates need apply. None but graduates need apply. See third example. Everyone is present in the class. Everyone is present in the class. When there is everyone in affirmative sentence, we should use no one while changing it into negative sentence. No one is absent in the class. We also use here opposite word of present while changing it into negative sentence. Everyone is present in the class. No one is absent in the class. Next example. They are always right. They are always right. And answer is they are never wrong. They are never wrong. Here is always in affirmative sentence. We use here never for showing its negative in this sentence. In this way we can use some words showing which shows negative manner, negative view while making it the negative sentence. Again, by using some opposites we can use or we can change affirmative sentence into negative sentence. It is the simple way of making it negative sentence. First example is here. This is impossible. And answer is this is not possible. First sentence is affirmative sentence and we can change it into negative in this way. We use here not for showing negative view and we use here opposite word of impossible as a possible and make as a negative sentence. This is not possible. So second example. The prince was unhappy. The prince was unhappy. And answer is the prince was not happy. The prince was not happy. In this way, in the simple way, we can make it negative sentence. It is difficult task. It is difficult task. And answer is it is not an easy task. It is not an easy task. Again fourth example, see here. She forgot her grief. She forgot her grief. In this sentence, look at this sentence very keenly. While reading this sentence, we notice that here is not any helping verb or auxiliary verb. When there is not any auxiliary verb in the sentence, we should use auxiliary verb according to its tense form. So this sentence is in the simple past tense. We should use here did. When there is not any helping verb and there is present tense, simple present tense, we should use do or does. And when there is simple past tense form in that sentence, we should use did. So here she forgot her grief. She did not remember her grief. We use here did for showing as a simple past tense. We use here not for negative use and we use here opposite word for forgot, remember in the sentence, and in this way we make a negative sentence. Again see fifth sentence. Granny kept mum. Granny kept mum. Again this sentence is in the simple past sentence. This is affirmative sentence and negative sentence is here. Granny did not say anything. Granny did not say anything. In this way we can make a negative sentence. Then by using so that or removing to we can make negative sentence of affirmative sentence. See first example here. He is too weak to walk. This is affirmative sentence and here are 2 and 2. We should remove 2 and we should use so that, and we should make this sentence as a negative. He is so weak that he cannot walk. Here we take can because there is means it is in simple present tense, so we use here can. When there is was or where, we should take here could, but in this sentence there is. He is too weak to walk. He is so weak that he cannot walk. See second example, it was too difficult to learn. It was so difficult that one could not learn. Here subject is one. It was so difficult that one could not learn. Again, when there is as soon as in the sentence, as per the above given chart, when there is as soon as in affirmative sentence, we should use no sooner than for making negative sentence. See here, as soon as we entered the house, we saw a snake. And answer is, no sooner did we enter the house than we saw a snake. In this way, by using no sooner than, we can make negative sentence of affirmative sentence. Again, when there is degrees of comparison, we can make negative sentence when there is degrees of comparison in the sentence. See first example here. Arjun is as good as Rohit. This sentence is in the positive degree. While making comparative degree, we should use negative few and this sentence becomes negative sentence. Rohit is not better than Arjun. Rohit is not better than Arjun. In this way, by using degrees of comparison, we can make negative sentence of affirmative sentence. See second example, Mumbai is bigger than any other city in India. And answer is, no other city in India is as big as Mumbai. In this way, by using degrees of comparison, we can make negative sentence of affirmative sentence. When there is unable in the sentence, in the affirmative sentence, when there is unable, we can make it negative sentence 1. See here, Geeta is unable to win the prize. Geeta is unable to win the prize. And answer is, Geeta cannot win the prize. When there is unable in the affirmative sentence, we can use can or could not in making negative sentence. Geeta is unable to win the prize. There is present tense because here is. So we use here cannot. If there is was in the sentence, was unable, we should use here could not in the negative sentence. Geeta is unable to win the prize. Geeta cannot win the prize. See second example. I was unable to run fast. I was unable to run fast. And answer is, I could not run fast. I could not run fast. In this way, we can transform affirmative sentence into negative sentence. In the next lecture, we will learn how to change negative sentences into affirmative sentences. Thank you very much.